Welcome to Sawdust and Wood today. Today we're going to do a little experiment. Wait, I hear a South Louisiana accent. Who is that? Alright, anyway, let's get to the video. I want to see, I got my old SKIL SAW right here. I use a worm drive now, but this was one of the first saws I bought years ago. I hadn't changed this blade in probably 5 or 6 years, so it's really dull. And we're going to hammer this nail down into this 2x4 and make a pass and see if it binds up this saw or does anything to the blade. We're going to see the ease of how this saw can cut through this nail. Let's get to it. So let's hammer this nail down. Alright. Now we're going to cut it. Pass number 1. Let's see. That was pretty easy. Here's the nail. Let me bring it up close so y'all can see. Cut right through it like it was nothing. Alright, we cut through one nail like it was no big deal. Now I got 3 nails hammered into this 2x4. Let's see what happens. Three nails. Here's the top of the nail, and this is where they're hammered in. Alright, so the saw's cut through 3 nails already. So now I got 5 in this board. Let's see if I can cut through 5 with this saw. Pretty impressive, 5 nails. Now I've got this board, I've got 8 nails in it. Let's add 2 more just for good measure. Got it. Got 10 nails. Let me bring it up to the camera so you can see. Let's see if I can cut 10 nails with this saw. Ten nails with no problem. Alright, I put 16 nails into this 2x4. I'm not putting any more. I don't know if this saw can cut through 16 nails, but we're going to check it out. Let's get to it. That was pretty rough, but it made it through all 16. Let me get the camera so y'all can see this. "16 nails. Here's the bottom. Here's the 2x4. Pretty impressive for a cheap saw, if you ask me. I don't think I'll be doing anything where I need to cut through 16 nails in one rip. Alright, here's all the boards we cut today. 1 nail, 3 nails, 5 nails, 10 nails, 16 nails. Old SKIL SAW. Very, very old blade. Didn't really have an issue at all. Just want to thank everybody for watching. Thought it would be a fun little experiment to see what the SKIL SAW could cut. You guys are great. Please like this video, share it on Facebook, share it everywhere. Thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.